The AKİTA Inu is a breed of dog native to Japan known for lovable round faces, triangular ears and plump curly tails. Typically they have reddish-brown coats, but there are also black and white varieties. There are 6 native Japanese dog breeds, and the AKİTA is the largest. Although they're big, tough animals, they have a gentle nature and are renowned for being extremely affectionate and loyal. Outside Tokyo's Shibuya station, there's a statue commemorating a famous AKİTA called Hachiko. Hachiko came to this station every evening to welcome his owner home. One day the owner never returned. He died at work. Yet for nearly 10 years the faithful dog still came and waited every day. Hachiko became a legend for his undying loyalty. Yoshio and Nobuko Kondo have always raised AKİTAs, ever since they were newlyweds. Now they're elderly and growing frail. Their AKİTA tries to take care of them. When walking is painful for me, the dog feels it and does everything it can to help. It has an incredible sense for things like that. AKİTA Inu were originally hunting dogs, bred for absolute obedience and to protect their owners from danger. These qualities later made them extremely popular as watchdogs. However, changing lifestyles mean people now prefer smaller pets that can be kept indoors, and today the AKİTA breed is in decline. This is Odate in AKİTA, the birthplace of the AKİTA Inu. The city started a program to promote its famous local breed. Nami Nishiyama, a big fan of these dogs, wanted to be part of the program, so she took a job at the city office. Her pet AKİTA, Ako-chan, is now 2 years old. She was just a puppy when Nishiyama started this job. Visitors to Odate can now meet and play with Ako-chan in a special space set up in the tourist office. She's so fluffy. Good dog. Ako-chan is always gentle and friendly, despite being daily handled by dozens of strangers. The AKİTA Inu is a truly amazing breed. I hope I can help people rediscover the qualities of this great dog. Nishiyama also makes regular visits to places like old people's homes and primary schools to give people hands-on experience with her dogs. It's so cute! They make such great partners. It feels like you're living with another person. AKİTA are really outstanding dogs, and everyone in Odate loves them. I believe they can make a valuable contribution as symbol and face of our city. Thanks to celebrity owners like figure skating champion Alina Zagitova, there's been a recent surge in popularity for the breed outside Japan. Lovable, intelligent and incredibly loyal, AKİTA Inu are capturing hearts worldwide.